For demonstration here we have 21 stitches on my needle, 18 stitches multiple of 6, 3 times 6 plus 6, 12 plus 6, 18 and plus 1 extra stitch 19 plus 2 as stitches 21. Here I purl 2 base row, you can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Starting of this pattern, we start this pattern from starting of this pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat from here to here, knit 3, purl 3. This is 6 stitches pattern 2, 4, 6. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches here? Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern, last 3 stitches, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. First row is complete. Now second row, wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, knit 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat, purl 3, knit 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Again purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, last 3 stitches, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Third row, right side. Again we make this row same as row first. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat from here to here, knit 3, purl 3. Again we repeat this pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Again knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Last 3 stitches, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Third row is complete. Now fourth row, wrong side. Again it has knit and purl as purl. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Again purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Last 3 stitches, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Fifth row, right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit together from front loop, yarn over. That's our repeat from here to here, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop, purl 1, knit together from front loop, yarn over. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So one more time, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit together from front loop, yarn over. One more time, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit together from front loop, yarn over. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last 2, knit 1 and attach from right side. 5th row is completed. Now 6th row, wrong side, again it has knit and purl as purl. Slip inch, from here we start our repeat pattern, purl 3, 1, yarn over stitch, also purl, 2, 3, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here, purl 3, knit 1, purl 2. Again we repeat this pattern, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2. One more time, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2. Last 2, purl 1 and purl edge from wrong side. 7 row, right side, slip inch. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 2, 1, 2. Yarn over, knit 3 together. For this, twist these first 2 stitches, take these 2 on your left needle and take these 3 stitches together and knit 3 together from back loop. Yarn over, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 2, yarn over, knit 3 together from back loop, yarn over, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern हमेशा है. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit 3 together. For this, twist these first 2 stitches, take these 2 on your left needle and knit 3 together from back loop. Yarn over, knit 1. One more time, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit 3 together. For this, twist these first 2 stitches, take these 2 on your left needle and knit 3 together from back loop, yarn over, knit 1. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last 2 stitches, knit 1 and knit edge from right side. 7 row is complete. Now 8 row, wrong side, purl these all stitches. Ninth row, right side, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. 9th row is completed. Now 10th row, wrong side, purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. 10th row is completed and our half pattern is also completed. Now we again repeat this 10 row, but in this row we shuffle this pattern. Now this pattern goes here and this pattern goes here. So row 11, right side, slip inch, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 1. That's our repeat from here to here, purl 2, knit 3, purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern हमेशा है, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 1. One more time. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 1. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern. Last 2 stitches, purl 1 and knit edge from right side. Now this is row 12 wrong side, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. That's our repeat. Knit 2, purl 3, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. One more time. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. Last 2, knit 1 and purl edge from wrong side. Now this is row 13 right side. Again we make this row same as row 11. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 3, purl 1. Again we repeat these patterns. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1. One more time. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1. Last 2, purl 1 and knit edge from right side. Row 13 is completed. Row 14 wrong side, knit as knit and purl as purl. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. That's our repeat. Knit 2, purl 3, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. One more time. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. Last 2, knit 1 and purl edge from wrong side. Row 15 right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit together from front loop. Now yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit together from front loop, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit together from front loop, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. One more time. Purl 1, knit together from front loop, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern. Last 2, purl 1 and knit edge from right side. Row 15 is complete. Now row 16 wrong side. Again knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 5. Again we repeat this pattern. Knit 1, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Knit 1, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last two, knit 1 and purl edge from wrong side. Row 17 right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Starting of this pattern, knit together. Yarn over. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, knit 3 together. Twist these first 2 stitches, take these 2 on your left needle and knit 3 together from back loop. Yarn over, knit 1. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 3, yarn over, knit 3 together, yarn over, knit 1. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 3, yarn over, knit 3 together, yarn over. Again we repeat this pattern from here to here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 3 together. For this, twist these first 2 stitches, take these 2 on your left needle and knit 3 together from back loop, yarn over. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last 6 stitches, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit together from back loop. In this row, starting of this pattern and last of this pattern, we make knit together and center of this pattern, knit 3 together. Knit edge from right side. Row 17 is completed on row 18 wrong side. Pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Row 19 right side, knit these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. Row 19 is completed on row 20 wrong side. Pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Row 20 is completed and our pattern is also completed. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 20 rows, and after repetition of 20 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater. So friend, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.